Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use learned roads on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the navigation button right here. If you tap the navigation button, you've got access to the navigation app. So now you need to find the settings icon. The settings icon is located right here at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings, you've got access to navigation settings. Let's select here the routing preferences, the second option. And if you tap the routing preferences, you've got access to the whole list of routing preferences of this car, of this navigation. Scroll down here and you can choose here use learn routes. If you would like to enable this feature, just use this toggle to make it orange, and the navigation system will record your trips. Would you like to enable learning navigation? In my case, let me press yes to confirm it. And basically now, if you enable this feature, if you constantly take a specific shortcut that isn't the official fastest route, the car will eventually start suggesting that path because it knows you prefer it. So I think it's quite useful, especially when you are driving in your city. You have some shortcuts, you have some best tips to drive the fastest possible way. Let's keep this feature enabled. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.